Food and Beverage Services, Lesson Information 1.4, Part 2. Our topic is setting up table appointments in the dining area. Table setting or laying a table or place setting refers to the way to set a table with tableware, such as eating utensils and for serving and eating. The arrangement for a single diner is called a place setting. It is also the layout in which the utensils and ornaments are positioned. Types of place setting. Types of place setting. A la carte setting or basic place setting. An a la carte is the term used for a menu that has individually priced dishes. These dishes are divided into entry, salads, main course, and desserts. This type of place setting usually consists of the following table appointments: dinner knife, table napkin, dinner fork, water goblet, and show plate. For a la carte menu, this is a table setting normally laid in a good class restaurant, dining room, or hotel in readiness for serving of either lunch or dinner. It would usually consist of the following: main plate, napkin, main knife, main fork, side plate, side knife, water or wine glass. Additionally, a la carte setup is commonly used by most restaurants for the following reasons. This is appropriate for most occasions. Basic place setting generally have fewer utensils. Sometimes the cup and saucer are placed on the right side of the spoon, about 4 inches from the edge of the table, and often, in less formal settings, the napkin and or cutlery may be held together in a single bundle by a napkin ring. Number 2 is the table d'hôte place setting. A table d'hôte is a type of menu that has a set price for several courses. That means table of the host. Usually, all courses are included in the price and must be paid by the guests even if they don't eat every part of the meal. Typically, the menu may have 2 to 4 choices of an entree, 2 to 4 choices of main course, and 2 choices of dessert. Informal table setting. Usually, fewer utensils and serving dishes will appear on the table for informal table settings. As a general rule, informal table settings will be identified and adjusted depending on the type of meal that will be served. Most of the time, informal table setting will be often be used in casual restaurants and private gathering. Formal table setting. Formal table settings are set for multiple courses both in private homes and restaurants. The basic rule for a formal table is for everything to be geometrically spaced. The centerpiece at the exact center, the place setting at equal distances, and the utensils are balanced. Standards of table setting. First is the completeness. All needed utensils, dinnerware, glasses, and other equipment are set on the table prior to serving orders. Required condiments are set up before service. Client requirements as stated in the event order are available properly installed before the start of the function. If pre-setup is made, additional cutleries are completed prior to service. Next is cleanliness and condition of equipment. All preset equipment must be immaculately clean, sanitized with sanitizing detergent, wiped dry, and free of spots of watermarks. No wobbly tables or chairs. No chipped, stained glass and plates or damaged tines of cutleries. Linen is fresh, no foul odor, clean. without spots or stains, and not wrinkled. Next is balance and uniformity. There is even spacing between chairs and covers. Cutleries are spaced at least an inch from the edge. Same equipment is set up for the same order. Cutleries are aligned properly with the same distance from the edge. Order. All service equipment are placed on the appropriate side of the cover. The cutleries are arranged in proper sequence, following the order by which they will be served. Fork and side dishes are on the left side. Folded paper napkin, if used, on the left side under the fork. Water glass is placed on the right side, about an inch on top of the knife. The glasses, cups, saucer, spoons, knife, and cocktail fork are on the right side. Required condiments as well as flour base are placed at the center of the table. Eye appeal. The whole setup looks presentable. Presidential and buffet tables are skirted for banquet functions. Appropriate color combinations are used. No eyesore is seen in the dining area, and appropriate centerpiece and other decors are provided for. Timeliness. Setup is completed on time at least 30 minutes prior to the start of operation or banquet functions. How the table should be set up depends on the style of service to be used, the menu to be served, the size of the table, and the available table appointments. Remember, in table setting, common sense should be the best guide when one is not sure of what to do. Anything that is not needed on the table or is not required by the menu need not to be set. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.